My channel got demonetized again. Hello, wonderful people. Of course, it's your girl, Simeon Grace. And guess what? My channel got demonetized again. So this is the second time YouTube is demonetizing my channel in the last year. Honestly, YouTube is really coming for me. But anyways, here's the gist. Henceforth, we're going to be having another channel. So I already created a new channel for our fashion tutorials. So if you're going to be using the search bar, it is still Kharis Creation, but I'm now on another channel. So I have a new channel for Kharis Creations. There we are going to be having our fashion tutorials. But on this channel, of course, you can see I have changed the name to Butter Prime. We are going to be having more of entertainment program on this channel, Butter Prime TV. So in case you're new to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe. And also, this is very important, all our fashion tutorials on this channel remains. I am not going to be moving them. The fashion tutorials we have on this channel are still intact, but henceforth we're going to be having our tutorials on the new channel named Kharis Creations. So it is still Kharis Creations, but a new channel. So I want you all to quickly move to that channel and hit the subscribe button. And of course, if you have videos that you would like me to make, you can leave them in the comment sections. I have videos there already, so you can watch the videos. If you have questions, ask your questions on the channel. And also for topics you want me to treat, you can leave them in the comment section. I still remain Simeon Grace. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Till I see you. Bye.